Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into Intellij installations. So here open Chrome browser, here you can type as Intellij. Here you will be get official sites of JetBrains. You just open this link. Here you can find download, top of you can find download, and mid of the screen also you can find download, right? You can click this download button, either you can top or mid of the screen. I'm going to be click on this download button. It will be going to the download section. Here you can find the first one as Intellij IDEA Ultimate. This is the paid version. There is two way, which is paid and free open source. So you just ignore this paid one, scroll down. Here you can see the community edition. This is the free open source. So now we are going to be take this free version. Here click on download. Before you have to confirm the OS, which is Windows or which one. So I'm going to be select this Windows directly .exe. Click on download. So now download is successful. Then you can open this folder. Here you can find this Intellij. Double click on this one. So now you are getting one pop-up, which is user account control. Here you have to select as yes button. Then it will be come to the screen. Here you can click on next. So here it will be ask you the path where you are going to be keep this Intellij IDEA community edition. I just leave it as the default one. Here we can find program files. Okay, I don't want to change any other path. Click on next. Here you can find this different checkboxes option is there, right? So if you want to the create desktop shortcut, you have to make it check this one, and update path variable, I just make it checkbox checked one, and I have to update context menu, have to check this checkbox. Again have to come down. Here you can see create association. I just check all the checkbox because I need all those things: Java, Gradle, Groovy, KT, KTS, and Palm. So make it sure how to check all the checkbox better for the creation of project. Click on next. Here you can again click on the next. So now it is done. Here you can see there is two radio buttons, which is reboot now, or I want to manually reboot later. So better you can select the first one, reboot now. After rebooting my system, you can Intellij here you can visible in this shortcut in desktop, right? So you just click on this Intellij shortcut. The Intellij starting open. Here you can check this checkbox, which is accept the agreement. Click on continue. Maximize this one. Here you can find the new project and open clone repository, right? So if you want to create new project, you have to select this option. If you want to open the existing folder, then you can select this open one. If you want to go directly with this Git or any repo, then you can go with this third option. Now I'm going to be click on this new project. Before that, I have to show you this customize and everything. So here the customize means here you can whether the appearance dark or light. Select this light mode. You can see the light mode will be displayed now, and the language, region, so everything you have to set up. If you want plugins, if you need any plugins, then you can install it. And here again go back to the projects. I have to click on new projects. Here you can see given the name of this sample project. Here you have to find the locations, whether this project you have to keep on this idea projects. This is the default location, or if you want to choose any other location, you can choose it using this browse option. Then you have to build system, whether Intellij, Maven, Gradle, which one you want to choose the project you are going to be creating, whether Maven project or Gradle project. So right now I have to keep it this Intellij itself. And here I want to add sample code. So defaultly it was checked this checkbox, so I can leave it that one. So here you can see the advanced settings, what is the module name, content root, module file locations, everything have to find it here. So another more important one is JDK. So already I have installed JDK 11. That's what I have to see in JDK 11 version here. Okay, if you want to choose any other version, you can directly choose it here. You can download this Oracle Open JDK. Okay, or else you can download any other JDK version also. Here I'm going to be leave it this JDK 11 what I have in my system. Click on create button. Here you can see the project has created successfully.